Okay, so we are filled on Nvidia as well as SPX. SPX maybe just about 200 or so. Let's just put 200 there, and that's good. And let's bring this to 74. All right, we are up to 25,000 here. This is great. So now what we have, yes, futures up quite a bit here. I just want to check one thing. My orders got filled. Yes, even that got filled. Yep. Okay. All right. So this is where we stand. All right. Let's see. I want to take a moment here to look at the long-term chart. Okay, of the S&P. If you recall, last week we were going through this bearish phase here, and we are wondering whether to take a bearish trade or not. And my point that time was these things don't last too long. I mean, we are in a bull market, so 3 4 days, and then there you go. We had this big day, the Fed day, when they came out with that hint of lower rates, and then of course we are nicely cruising along. So that's the nature of this market. It's a bull market. It's a long-term bull market. So it's really not advisable to take bearish trades. Yes, if you want, if you think there's a sudden crash in anything, then okay, due to some news, whatever, you can hedge it. You can buy a SPX bear put, but otherwise, it would not be wise to take bearish trades in this market. So anyway, that was just something I wanted to point out, that those 4 or 5 days it feels like, oh, we are in a bear market, but you just have to keep the longer perspective in mind. Anyway, so 10 points up on the ES. Let's see what else is moving. Let's go to Amazon here. Oh wow, okay, it's up only $1.40, but looks like a very strong move on the charts. And then we have not a whole lot of movement here. Google up $1.65, Oracle up 2, and Microsoft up 3. Finally, Microsoft may be waking up. Hard to say, but Microsoft up almost to $3 here. And let's go back to Nvidia and just see what's happening here. Nvidia, I just want to check one thing on the Analyze tab. Okay, yeah, so 70. That no, sorry, this one is 185, 187.5. Let me just check something here. Okay, so 180, it's pulled back. All right, so okay, Nvidia is pulling back now. No, it's down $2. Okay, there it is. So caught that. This is a swing trade that I'm talking about. Caught that at the nice moment there, and then pulling back big time. But it's still a good swing trade. I mean, any negative on Nvidia today is a buying opportunity. And but I don't know about the day trading situation. Because we need the move to happen quickly. I don't know if that will happen. But for a swing trade, definitely it's a very good swing trade if it's going to pull back $2, because it came out with a decent report. Just missed on a couple of things, I believe. All right, so we have of course, tomorrow we have Friday as well, but we have a long weekend coming up for Labor Day, and we have to structure some trades, at least at the very least, an SPX that can take care of a 4 day, a 3 day weekend. Oh wow, got $2 on the swing bear call. Nice, nice, nice. I think I got 87, which I thought was very, very good. But then once you see the charts, you know why. Nvidia went up to almost 183, I think. Oh, well, 184. I'm sorry. Yeah. So you would have got a very good fill if you caught it properly. I got 87. I'm happy with it, but 102 is fantastic. And then, of course, then it's pulled back nicely. So that trade is going to be good. Now let's see. I wanted to check the SPX because we can structure something. We can also structure it tomorrow, but I'm saying if you put it for 2nd September, which is the Tuesday, if you put it for 2nd September, so expected move is plus or minus 59 for 2nd September. So 60, let's say 60 points. So that would bring this to 64.25. Let's put that there and see what it is. Because we could capitalize on another day of time decay, I suppose. And then, so those option prices are moving. Let it move. And then we'll have to go to about 65.45, and I don't know how much premium we'll have there. Let's see. Oh, not buy, sell. So 65.45, 80 cents. Okay, not too bad. 80 cents is not too bad. We need a little bit more on the put side. 80 and 75, 80 and 70. Okay, so this is just at the expected move. I mean, expected move for September 2nd. So 80 and 75, $1.55. Okay. I mean, we have I think turned the corner into a bullish phase here. So 45 and 15 is 60. We can come to 65.40, 65.45, 90 and 80, 90 and 80, 170. Okay. I'll tell you what, let's put in a 5 contract position for today. And then, okay, dollar and an 80. This is much better. And then tomorrow we can tweak it further. So let's go in for a 5 contract, 65.40, 65.45 on the call side. And got a dollar there. And then if we can get about 80 cents here, that'll also be good. Let's do that. And that is 65. Sorry, 65. Let me bring it here. All right. So SPX 64.35, 64.30, 65.40, 65.45. So just inside the expected move. But then I don't know if the expected move is factoring the 3-day weekend. It could be, it may not be, it may not be also. So regardless, I think this is okay. And it's a 5 contract position. Tomorrow we can tweak it further and see what we need to do. Let's see what else. If we wanted to take care of okay, let's watch the charts on Nvidia here first. Okay, found some support there. So we've added 2 trades now. Netflix is a 10 contract and SPX is a 5 contract. What I'd like to do is tomorrow we can massage this position. Basically, this is positioned for the 3-day weekend. Can get some good time decay over there. So those are the 2 new trades that we have right now. All right. This is a debit condo trade on Nvidia for next week expiry 182.5, 187.5, and then selling the 185, 190. So risk is very small, about 500, and reward is 2000. So 1 is to 4, really. So let's do this. I want to buy this at 135 and then sell this at 92. And let's see if we can get executed. Okay, yeah. 131, 192. Perfect. So let's bring those guys here. Okay, so that would be these 4. I'm going to move that to our group and There we go. So this is 182.5, 187.5. That's the bull call. And 185, 190 is the bear call. Okay, so we are set on three trades. The Nvidia trade is a very low risk trade, and it just needs to move into the body of the condor there. So we'll see if that happens. In any case, the risk is very low, and there are plenty of options to adjust it. So not worried about that at all. Okay, let's take one more look. We've got a nice profit going here, 25,000. We are still in 3 months since this service started, so which is very good. And let's try to keep that going.